Hello, subscribers. So, in this video, we are going to see about a challenge which we all face, those who are using JMeter, where we have this issue where the certificate, the Apache root certificate, is valid only for 7 days, and every time when we are creating new scripts, we have to uh, install these certificates in various locations. So, to solve that issue, and like the more the challenge we face, we get to come up with more solutions. So this is again one of the solution where I have created a batch file and use. So when you run the batch file, automatically that batch file will install the certificate in all the locations. So you don't need to just go in each and every folder and have to create like click install, and then it normally takes like around 5 to 10 minutes. And yes, as a performance engineer and as an automation engineer and a DevOps engineer, platform engineer, so with multiple roles, so I normally used to automate things and make things very simple and quick. And this is one of that video. So I will show you how to do that. So I have the batch file ready with me, and let me open the notepad. So here I have the notepad, and this I'll even paste this file in my github.com where you can download, and you just need to save only make change only to the certificate path. So here this is the location which in my machine I have the path. So if in case you must have a different location, so just change the certification path here in your machine. And apart from that, nothing else you need to change. Let me just do a quick thing. Yep. So that's the only thing. Yep. And hash. Let me just check one more thing for me. It's jmeter.bat. Where are you? J, J. Yep. So let me just open this for a moment. And yeah, so this is the jmeter.bat file. So same way, we are going to use something like this where I'm going to create a batch file which will help us to solve the issue, right? So yeah, so I'm ready, and I'll just save this file as install certificate dot batch file inside the same location where I have the bin file. Change it to all types, and then I'll create the file. So now I have saved the file. So we have saved it, and this will install the certificate in the trusted root certification with the store, and then the enterprise trust store, and all these. And after this, after you do all this, just do a quick restart of your JMeter, and that will work fine. And just another quick thing, you have to run this file as a admin. So just run it as an admin, and then it will definitely make the changes that you can do. So now let's do a quick installation. So I have my file, the install cert.bat file. So for safer thing, I'll just close this bat file, and now let me run this. Yep, so now it has been executed. I will in fact even run it as an administrator to make sure nothing goes wrong. Yep, that's been done. And now to make sure, so previously we saw it, the certificate was from 11th to 18th, and now let me run the command. So just to check the validity, so certificate store my, sorry, my, so this, if you see, we have got not before 25 because we already have another certificate installed. So and then it's not after 27th, so it's like for the next 8 days from 25th to 2nd. And then the same way, if we check it in the root certificate, we have for a long time, it's like just like, I think this is the one that we have to check for. Yep, the DigiCert. Yeah, this is a different one. Let me just open the trust certificate. And yeah, the same thing from 23 to 7. So JMeter root CA for recording. And then even we can check it in the CA store. we, we have got lots of certificates. Yep, and here we have got it. So 25th of June to 2nd of July. So same way. Yep. So this is how you can run this very quick, and this will install you the certificates in just a matter of second, just a second. And yep, like I told you. Okay, let me do it in front of you. So let me open my github.com, and where is the yeah. So I'll just paste this one here. So we'll have everything here. So let me go to add file, create new file, and sorry, let me go to the code, add file, upload files, and then I'll upload, or I'll just drag and drop the file. So you don't need to create anything. Just like I said, you just have to change the certificate in your machine, the certificate location. So that's the only thing that's required. And then the proposed changes, processing files, create pull request. Yep, this is another way you have to merge your pull request. I have myself here, and then going back to my settings, I also have to approve it. So this is another thing which you must learn if you are using your GitHub. So you must have someone to approve your changes. And in fact, I have even made some changes to uh, increase the protection of my GitHub, my repo, so nobody else can merge their changes. So that's the reason. I'll just take you through that some other time. And coming back to the YouTube, Spotify link videos, and then the pull request, add files via upload. Yes, add my review changes, and click on approve. So by doing this, you will approve the change, and this is submitted. So even I can merge the pull request, or the other handle can do it. So merge. Yep, that's done. Delete the branch. So I have deleted my local branch, and yeah. So here you can see the install cert.bat. So just download it, do your installation, and yep, with that you can really install the certificates in the locations. And yep, if you have any issues, if you're facing any issues, please do add your comments in the comment section, and I'll just clear it. And yep, we'll meet in another interesting video. Until then, it's bye bye from Shanmugam and your favorite Little Star YouTube channel. Bye bye.